So basically, to register for the vaccine jab, you have to go to google.com and type COVID in the search bar. As you can see here, this is the COVID portal. It is running by the gov.in, and after clicking on that, you will see this kind of page here. Largest vaccination drive plus lakh. You can see some statistical data here, how many vaccines have been administered and how many doses have been given. What is CoWIN? CoWIN is a platform for the citizens of India to register for COVID-19 vaccination and schedule their vaccination slots at the nearest vaccination center. I have to register and sign in yourself, though I will click on the register and sign in yourself. The site is not working. This is how Indian government works. Actually, what is happening? So many of users are trying to register for the vaccine. That's why this is the reason this is taking longer than usual. It is not working. I will try in my laptop in the desktop site. So finally we are here to register for the COVID-19 vaccination program, which is starting for 1st of May 2021. So what you have to do, you have to go to Google and simply type COVID in the search bar. As you can see here, the site is not working. I searched for COVID and the same problem is still repeating here. Okay, it has been opened. Go to COVID portal. I don't know how much time it will take. I am checking on Twitter what is trending. It might be possible that COVID is trending on Twitter. I think government should have spent more money on the website of COVID. As you can see here, it is still not yet loaded. I will try to open in the next table. So I am here on Twitter. You can see COVID is trending here. There you can see this site cannot be reached, and you can see the tweets here from the Indians. It's already 0005 and can't register. Waiting for registration. PMO India, where are you? I am asking you, Narendra Modi, is this how your website COVID is working? COVID registration is stopped. Lies. Everything. And people actually tagging Ministry of Home Affairs. COVID notice started yet. COVID vaccine could not register for vaccine. Ministry of Health and Family Welfare. I knew this will be happen. So finally we are going to stop our registration. We are not spending. No, we are not. We will not waste our more time on this website. So I will try to make videos in the morning. As you can see here, current registration allowed for citizens older than 45 years old. Our site is not working. How can we insert the age? Okay, no problem. This kind of thing happens every year.